Welcome back. I am Rodrigo Martins, your new English teacher. The lesson 2, the class 2 today is about names in English. And last class we studied about this famous question, what's your name? Do you remember how to answer this question? For example, hello, my name is Rodrigo. What's your name? Very good, very good. So, let's look at this girl on the screen. What's her name? Do you know her? She's very famous. She's a singer. Yeah, she's popular too. What's her name? Her name or her full name is Katherine Elizabeth Hudson. Let's repeat. Full name. Her full name is Katherine Elizabeth Hudson. This is her full name. Okay, full name Katherine Elizabeth Hudson. Katherine. Everybody repeat. First name. One more time. First name. First name Katherine. Elizabeth. Repeat. Middle name. Middle name. Middle name. Elizabeth. Okay, and now Hudson. Everybody, let's repeat. Last name. Last name. Last name. Let's review. Full name, Katherine Elizabeth Hudson. First name, Katherine. Middle name, Elizabeth. And last name, Hudson. Okay? Teacher, and what about Katy Perry? Katy Perry is her nickname. Repeat, nickname. Nickname. Katy Perry is her nickname. Okay? Now, this is a famous person in Brazil. Okay, he's a man, very rich man, famous, popular, and a TV host in a company very famous in Brazil. What's his full name? Fausto Correia da Silva. Fausto Correia da Silva is his full name. Repeat, full name. Can you guess what is his first name? Fausto Correia da Silva. Very good. His first name is Fausto. Okay? And middle name. What is Fausto middle name? In this case, Fausto Correia da Silva, he does not have a middle name. Okay? And last name. What is his last name? Correia da Silva. Okay? And nickname. What is his nickname? His nickname is Faustão. Okay? Let's repeat one more time. Full name. First name. Middle name. Last name. Nickname. Teacher, I'm confused right now. What is the difference between middle name versus last name? Attention, because this is very important. Middle name in English, it's a second name. And we have some examples. Maria Eduarda. Eduarda is her middle name. It's not her first name. Okay? Paulo Henrique, middle name, not first name. And last name, teacher, is the family name. For example, Rita Silva Goss. Silva Goss is her last name. Alex Oliveira. Oliveira is his last name. Okay? Clear right now for you? Perfect. Okay, now we have this questionnaire. I hope you answer orally in your home. It's very important. Okay, but before, let's repeat the questions. What's your full name? What's your full name? Question 2. What's your middle name? What's your middle name? What's your last name? Is question number 3. What's your last name? Question number 1. What's your full name? My full name is Rodrigo Martins de Souza. This is my example, okay? What's your middle name, teacher? In this case, teacher Rodrigo does not have middle name, okay? And teacher, what's your last name? My last name is Martins de Souza, okay? Now you can do it in your home orally because speaking is very important. My full name is, my middle name is, my last name is. Very good, students. Let's move on. Let's now do a different topic, okay? This is about formal titles in English. Everybody, let's repeat. Mr. Mr. Messrs. Messrs. Miss. Miss. Once more. Mr. Mr. Messrs. Messrs. Miss. Miss. Okay, but now let's analyze on the left side in your screen. Okay, we have a name there. Let's repeat, married. Married. On the other side, let's repeat, single. Single. Okay, now we have a famous person. I think everybody knows this man. Okay, he is Luciano Grosten Huck. What is this? First name, middle name, or last name, or full name? Very good. His full name is Luciano Grosten Huck. But is he married or is he single? Luciano Huck is married. Very good. Okay. What about his last name? Okay, Grosten Huck. But let's use just the final family name, Huck. So, Mr. Huck. Mr. Huck. Okay, Huck is his last name and Luciano is married. Let's go to a second example. She's very famous too. She's so beautiful. She's a superstar in Brazil. Okay, her name is Angelica Kisevics Huck. Angelica Kisevics Huck. It's a difficult name, isn't that it? So, is she married or single? She's married. What is her last name? Huck. Very good. So everybody repeat. Mrs. Huck. Mrs. Huck. Remember that Huck is her last name. Okay, now move on. Wow, he is a Hollywood star. Okay, do you know his name? What about his full name? Yeah, his full name is Christopher Robert Evans. Okay, in your opinion, what do you know? Is he married or single? Christopher is single. Okay, what is his last name in this case? Evans. Okay, everybody, let's repeat. Mr. Evans. Mr. Evans. Okay, he's a man, he's single, and his last name is Evans. Mr. Evans. Now to finish the examples, let's go to this girl. Okay, she's very famous too. She's a singer. Okay, and her full name is Selena Mary Gomez. Okay, what is her last name? That's it. Gomez. Gomez is her last name. What about she's single, married? She's single. Very good, students. So in this case, I use Miss Gomez. Let's repeat, everybody. Miss Gomez. To finish this part, let's repeat the formal titles again. We have Mr. for boys, for men, okay, single or married, and the last name, and Mrs. for girls, for women, they are married. And miss for the girls, for the women, they are single. This is the topic and this is the sentence. Okay? Now let's review. Let me see if you got the point or not. Let's review. It's a fast review. Yvette Sangallo is married. A. Mr. Sangallo. B. Miss Sangallo. Or C. Mr. Sangallo. What do you think? Chris Evans is single. A. Mr. Evans. B. Miss Evans. Or C. Mrs. Evans. Number 1. Yvette Sangallo is married. A, B, or C? It's letter C. Very good. Mrs. Sangallo. Okay, and Chris Evans is single. A, B, or C? It's letter A. Mr. Evans. Very good, students. Thank you very much. Esse foi o tópico da nossa aula de hoje. Para você entrar em contato, tirar dúvidas ou acompanhar nosso trabalho do Centro de Estudo de Línguas, você pode acessar o nosso Instagram pelo @cel.acre e o nosso Facebook, CelNel. Mas você pode também ter atividades relacionadas a essa pela nossa plataforma Educ, www.educ.ce.ac.gov.br. Enjoy your studies and see you next class.